Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share best resource of coding, guys. So before getting into video, do hit like button, do subscribe, guys. So it keeps motivation for me. So if I get more likes on particular video, so that I can know that this video is helpful for users, so that I can make those videos happen a regular basis, guys. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell button so that you get notification whenever I upload the video, guys. Let's get started. So before discussing best resources, I want to clarify one thing, guys. So if a person who's looking for certificates instead of learning this stuff, I won't recommend those things, guys. So I even the resources which I got, the best resources which I in my list, so they won't offer the certificates. It's just learning platform. Just learn those concepts and apply them in real life, guys. So let me say one example, if I'm a person who hiring persons, so I always prefer the projects instead of certificates. I always prefer the projects whose profile is good at projects. So now in this generation, getting certificate is not, it's damn easy, guys. So you can just get certificate within a seconds. So as I said before, if I am an employer, I just look for the projects. Even the top companies just look for the profile who has a good projects and good research work instead of spoken for the certificates. That's what I just want to clarification this, guys. Now let's get started. Yes, guys, the first thing in our list, Coursera. So many of the students, people know about Coursera. So Coursera is a profitable organization. They are not providing free courses for students. As I said before, Coursera providing financial aid and aid, they will provide financial where you can opt towards financial aid future to get the course for free, guys. So even some students get the 100% discount, some students get 50% discount, depends on the student, guys. So you can use the financial aid process. So while Coursera is now first in our list, guys, so Coursera is they have been connected with top universities in the world where they are teaching the they connected to the top professors in the world where the professor teaching the students go. So you might have heard of Stanford, MIT and Harvard. So there's one tie up with Coursera where they will be teaching the courses which are being implemented in their university to students, guys. So that's why the Coursera firstly in our list, guys. The one more thing about Coursera is that you have a audit option, guys. So audit option is nothing but you can audit the particular course, you can do the course, but you won't be getting certificates. As I said before, certificates no use, guys. So that's the reason Coursera in our first list. So if you don't know how to get financial aid and audit the courses, so I have made one video and link in iCare, guys. So click on that iCare and watch that video, guys. So you can understand how to avail this financial aid and audit courses, guys. So this is the first thing in our list. So Coursera is the first thing in our list, guys. The second thing in our list, Free Code Camp, guys. So I don't know how many people know about Free Code Camp. So it's a fantastic platform to start your learning coding career, guys. So Free Code Camp is a non-profit organization. So they won't charge anything, guys. They have they have plenty of courses. You can take those courses for free. You can learn those courses. You can get a certificate, guys. Even they have a YouTube channel on Free Code Camp. So I will be in link in description. Click on that link and watch those videos, guys. They have plenty of videos on every domain. There is a web development, machine learning, Python. They have all courses in that domain. So do watch those videos. So even for users and for beginners who want to start your coding career, I just recommend the Free Code Camp in the first try because it's the best thing for courses you get free, guys. So one more thing is that they have a free chat rooms, online forum where you can discuss the doubts with the senior people and then from technician where you get clear all doubts over there. And even they have a medium publication for users where you can communicate about your paper, research works over there, guys. So this is the second thing in our list. So Free Code Camp. For everything, I will give a link in description, guys. So you can use that link and you can go for the website, guys, to know more about it. So that's the second thing, guys. Third thing, YouTube. So why I'm saying YouTube, maximum students are know about YouTube only for entertaining purpose and then from games, watching games and movies and some short movies. So even YouTube is an open source, guys. So even in YouTube we have enough number of courses you can do. As I said before, Free Code Camp, they have YouTube channel, they have around 3 million subscribers, so they have 3 million people over there. You can learn those things. And even for web development, you have we have some good channels from Wix development, WordPress, and then for even AI. So recently I have seen I have been learning for TensorFlow. So TensorFlow has their own channel in YouTube where they're teaching the students about how to start with TensorFlow from basic to advanced level. So YouTube in third in our list, guys. So YouTube is even a best source for a student who want to start a career for beginner, guys. So this is a third one in our list. The fourth thing in our list, the Khan Academy, guys. So I know like maximum schools should know about Khan Academy. So Khan Academy is the best source for the school student, college student, especially for school students. They have a, like short lectures, YouTube videos, and learning courses. It's like they won't charge anything. It's a non-profit organization. It's everything for free. So the one good part about the Khan Academy, they have their own applications where they will be teaching about the like in like different manner, guys. Instead of they have like different way of teaching, guys. So I recommend like for every school student like who want to learn this school concept, Khan Academy best source for them. And even for the programmer, like if you want to start a career like a beginner, you can go for Khan Academy, guys. So in Khan Academy, they have courses like such as intro to HTML and CSS and making web pages, so intro to SQL and then coding, managed database, so the advanced JavaScript, and then gaming and visualization and much more, guys. So anywhere, like it's everything free for you guys. You can use the Khan Academy for your better purpose of learning these things, guys. So even they have like some subject oriented concept like physics and maths, chemistry, you can use them, guys. Fifth thing in our list is the MIT Open Courseware, guys. So this is an organization, the hub started by Manchester Institute of Technology, which is in United States. So the best part about it is that they have like courses for undergraduate and higher study students, so for graduate undergraduate students, where they can choose the online courses, guys. All the courses like which are teaching in college, in university, they are just teaching the same to be free for the students, guys. You can go for it. They have around like 2,400 courses over there, and then like they even have some languages called Chinese and Persian and Spanish and French. They have these are the languages in them, guys. So for if you are like a college student, undergraduate student, or you are a graduate student who are looking for like good course and research work, and you can use this MIT Open Courseware, guys. As I said before, I will giving probably link in description. You can use that link and avail this course, guys. The fifth thing in our list. The final thing in our list is the Audion project, guys. So the best part of the courses is, guys, so if a person like who looking for web designing, web development is the best open source for you, guys. Why? Because they have several free courses in like web development and Ruby programming and JavaScript and jQuery database. So like if a person like who looking for web designing and web development and then database management system, you can go for it, guys. So as I said before, even they are running everything for free, so you can go for it. And then like one more good part about this course is, guys, they have like GitHub project, guys. So as you completing courses, they will be helping guiding you to do some real-time projects by using them. So like you can mention like after completing those projects, they will mention your project in GitHub account. Whereas this open source, so anyone can use your code, guys. The best part about this website. So that's it, guys. These are the 6 things I want to recommend you. So as I said before, I will provide link in description, guys. So like one more website called WTD School. So it's a good website. So I didn't add in that list because like they won't have any lectures. So it's just a basic website. If you are like working on some projects, you can just go to website and get syntax over there, and you can use the project, guys. So you just like a quick grab, guys. So whenever you forgot about some syntax and you forgot some code, you can go to the wtdschools.com and you can get those codes and for your working purpose, guys. So these are the 6 things in my list of best resources for college students and school students. You are looking for like best free open source. As I said before, don't focus on certificate, guys. Focus on your knowledge level and implement those things in your life. It's going to be helpful for society and for your betterment of your purpose, guys. I hope this video helps you. As I said before, like do subscribe, guys, and hit on like button. If I get like more likes on a particular video, that means that students are interested in that video, so that I can make that video like on regular basis, guys. I hope this video helps you in some way, and we'll meet you soon, guys. Bye.